guys, it's 4:52 in the morning. I'm just leaving to go to work. I'm going up to Grafton to help Chris again. So he's got concrete at 6:30 this morning. Just going up there now. I think we're pouring a shed slab, obviously, because that's all he normally does is shed slabs. But I think it's got a few shed downs in it. Maybe a couple, maybe like the al fresco set down, maybe two in that. Maybe one on one side and like an L sort of shape. And I think that's it. I can't remember what size he said. I think he said it's a 10x10 or something. So it might, you know. I think there's, what is there? There's 1, 2, 3. There's 5 of us. So that should be enough for it. I'm not sure what the weather's really meant to do. I think it's meant to be hot, but I think it's only meant to be maybe 20. Oh, probably up there, maybe 29. Here's meant to be 28 or something. Maybe 30 up there. It's always a couple of degrees warmer, even up to 4 degrees warmer. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I get up there. Alright, we just pulled up, man, sharps. Hey, coffee. Hey, Chris. Hey, he's going.
Good, mate.
This is Sean.
What's his name?
Sean.
Sean. Yeah, pleased to meet you. Chris. Arlen. What's your name? Tommy.
Tom.
Arlen.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris.
Excellent. How are you?
Yeah, good.
We got one too many blokes here today, but I figure I could just take it easy.
Yeah, you taking easy. That's exactly right. Hey, Luke. Hey, coffee.
How you going, Tom?
Good. How you going?
Tommy!
Thanks for coming up. Hey, Lukey.
Hiya, mate.
Yeah, good. How you going?
Good, buddy.
That's good. Oh, well, yeah, we do probably have one extra guy. Not too many, but I suppose it's better than being short a man. Well, that's right though, Chris. You can actually take it easy.
Yeah, I'll try.
Try to. I know it's hard. It's easier said than done, isn't it?
I'll try to take it easy. Yeah.
And then what? Just them roller doors? How we done them last time? Just.
So if I come back this way, that'll give that chance to sit a bit.
Yep.
And then we do the 2 metre from that end to this end, and I'll cut the 2 roller doors down as I go.
Yep.
And then we can pull this back, finish in this corner.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
And what, Luke helped you set it up, did he?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So young Sonny's going to do the dirt around behind all the fields. He's going to follow through the shovel.
Oh, and just
Put this, do these
just
fields
shove.
first.
Yep. Is he his worker or your worker?
Oh, he's my grandson.
Oh, is that your grandson? Is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he's the one that helped you before when you were in Iluka, was it?
One day.
Yeah, and you said you bought him a milkshake.
Yeah, that's right. He made me sick.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Praiseworthy? Your brother praiseworthy? Yo, you want the thing filled up to the bottom of the board, or do you put the thing over there?
Well, I think it's easier for you if you start there, fill the beans, fill it here, and keep going. That way you're moving the pump rate.
Like it,
Yeah, that's right.
Follow? 1, 2.
I like to fill the beans and go through. Is that easier for you?
Whatever's easy for you, mate.
No, it's easier for you.
Yeah, it's definitely. One on the board, I'll do it, mate. Still pump well, mate.
That's good.
Yeah, I don't envy your setup, your concrete job. You can have all your setup, your prep you want.
Oh,
Hard work.
oh, when you done it.
Setting up this the other day.
Yeah.
I'd just rather jump in that concrete pump all day.
Yeah.
The repetitive over. Oh, yeah. Give me a couple of hours of hard work. I'm out of here.
How many years you been doing at coffee? 40 something?
40, yeah.
It probably won't spill out too much anyway. Like just in mainly the bigger sort of, you know, more the hole and that like there where when we come back it's going to spill out. But other than that, it's not really too bad. How many cubes in this?
Over 30.
Really?
4 trucks.
Wow.
So you want to go right route first? Or do you...
I got 3 trucks 10 minutes apart, so... Concrete, yeah. Another 10 minutes or so.
Cool. We're just waiting.
A little bit further? I keep going forward.
Put a little bit of water in it. A little bit of water in it. Too many guys, isn't there? once we get into it, we'll be alright, though, won't we?
Right there. You want to get that under there for me a little bit? Right,
Yep.
Before I go. That's good.
Yep. Grab this one, boys. Bigger there, tiny little bit down.
That's it, spot on.
Oh, you go, cool. Everyone getting excited.
Legend, thank unit.
He's good. Nice work, Lukey. Doing a good job, bruv. Be good once we catch up, and if we can have a, you know, just to get in and get that done. Can you pass me the mag, Lukey?
I'm starstruck. Sending the pictures of his brother. To my friend.
Oh, of Shubs? I think he's sending photos of you.
Show the business.
You want a sec, Chris?
No.
Oh no.
One more here, eh?
Yeah, you're right. Close, very close.
Bang, 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 because 3 to 1 there.
What's that?
Just bang, bang, bang along there with the screen on the edge.
I'll just go across it now.
Just go up and down. Right, up and down. This
Alright.
way. Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
How's that?
Pretty good, mate.
Pretty good, mate. Cool.
A little bit more there, Sonny. Need to get off all this wet. I'll get the bit, buddy.
Tight down the tag.
Yep. Bit of on the wall. Just a bit on the wall. Yep.
Cool. All right. Different concrete up here though, isn't it? Real like sticky.
Fatty.
Yeah, that's it, fatty. Oh, I thought that was Luke there. That's what I look like without a shirt on. Alright, we're going for good.
Beautiful slump.
Oh, you need to check there, eh?
Check in. Christopher. Love your work, man. Right. Nice and look good.
Make Luke look good. Do you want him to stop while we... Should we catch up down there?
No, that's all right. We've got. Okay.
Hey Shubs, bring us that rake. You don't mind, bro? I'll go with that rake, bro.
Wait, can you just push it out of there before I go? Level it up on it, mate. Thanks, mate. Where's this hole I'm leaving for you?
Oh, just maybe let us catch up. Pretty good, eh? That's not, that's better looking.
Easy. Sorry, son.
Do you want me to come in there and bull float up? Chris? Alright, we're nearly in. I must have done some bad screeding along this edge. They topped it up. Unless it's slumped under the board. That can be my excuse. Shubs.
Huh?
Shubs.
Shove.
What do you want him for? I'll drag it, wait there. Where do you want it, bro?
Just straight back about 3 metres.
Where from? Where I am?
From about there, somewhere where you are. Somewhere you get your hand.
Oh, you're alright.
Nice big pulls. That's it.
Bit more?
Yep, that was it. Thank you.
Man, I would not want to be a line pump.
Good work, Masters.
I would not. I envy you.
Huh?
I couldn't do that.
Huh. Yeah, you need a rest after. That's why I like working hard and having a good break.
Yeah. I couldn't do that, eh?
I love it. I couldn't do the content.
I think it's whatever your body's conditioned to, eh?
Yeah, I love it too. A little bit up just there. A little bit higher just there.
Yeah, that's right.
I'll have the hopper. We're good, mate.
Here, Shubs, I'll pull in back, bruv.
Yeah, we got enough.
Alright, we're in. And even like that, and see how I've just gone through like that. Just go through, fill it all in, even if you fill it in to the boxing a bit, and then go with your mag, I mean your edges, sorry, and then go through like that, and just go nice and light, because this stuff's really wet still. Yep. You'll see if you start rolling, like the thing will be over. But you like that, here, there, you can go like, get that there. You wouldn't go to keep going there because that's real fresh.
Yeah.
So what you do is you go like that there, like that, and then you just check with your mag, see how it's flat here too. If it's got a hole obviously under it, that means you've rolled it. So then you get a bit of stuff and top it up. And while you're here, you just go along like this. You just go to where you can. That edge is a little bit big, a little bit soft obviously. But then yeah, you just go through. Say you did roll it, you'd get a bit of concrete push in there and re-edge it like that corner. It just takes a little bit to get used to. There you go. I'll keep going along there.
Like this.
Hold it the other way, yep. That's it, yeah. And you hold it just as close to, normally this will be your height, so you're on a driveway or something, you normally just use your board. So you'd hold your back of your mag on there like that, which this is pretty much the same. So you could use that as your guide. And if you start seeing a little bit low, you just sort of put a little bit of stuff in there and just, you know, just push over like that. Yeah. And then you just go through and see like here, go through like that, just go nice and slow because it's really wet. I'll go up around there. So that's the go, yeah. And then you just see you got little spots like that, you just get your edge up, because you do it while it's nice and soft. You just fill that all in. You know, you might have to go a few times like that. Sometimes the big rocks are like a real pain in the arse, eh? Yeah. Like so, you just go through like that. That's it, you're holding the edges. That's right, how you're holding that. Perfect, we're in. 8:49, eh?
Smashed it. Well done.
Thanks, man. Just rub it. Try to stand on there in a sec, Shubs, and just try to rub all that stuff in. I'll go long and read just edges, and we can. All right, stripping a few pegs out. Where's that? Do you want to get that screw gun and maybe just undo that one there? Yep. And maybe a hammer, just undo that nail. Cool. Just getting starting to get there. And then what we've got to do next is we've got to get them pegs out along there.
Yep. So I'll get one of them.
We'll have to wait till it's hard enough. If someone was real balanced, they could walk along there and unscrew it all. But we'll just get it as we go.
Yep.
All right. See how these leaving a nice little light mark?
Yep.
Put them on too early, you sink. You know, and that. You want to pass me Coffee's peg puller as we go, please? Yep.
Just going to get this one out.
Oh, okay, thanks. Oh, that's perfect in here, eh? Right, that's a good. See how that's nice to edge now. Yep. For the first one. And then yeah, just like that. And then same thing, eh? You just hop back, rub out you always fill these back in. Thank you. If you're feeling keen, you can walk along and pull them out.
No, I wouldn't trust myself out.
Fall in, I'm bad for it too. The guy waiting to catch screws and stuff. Just, like the pegs, how grab the pegs for. Alright, might just leave here. Would like to get them 2 pegs, but it's just too wet.
Chris. First time I've done that in a few years.
Alright, we just coffee strip that out, so I'll rub this up. Hey Sonny, can you just give this a wash please? I'll just throw it in over to there. Thank you. Get this marked here. What is it, a chair?
Yeah.
Do you want a hammer?
Yeah.
Someone grab a hammer? Oh, yep. Throw him here, Sean. Thanks for that. Another one is there.
Yep.
What's he need? Do you want me to jump up in there and cut it?
Yeah, suppose.
Is that alright, that one?
Yeah, that should be that one.
Okay, thank you. Maybe grab me a knee board just in case, please, Sonny. And maybe get my trowel up there and the mag float, please. Oh, maybe I'll just see. It looks like it might. Oh, it might work, I reckon. Do you reckon that's low enough what I've done, or should I go a bit more? How's that over that? Feel like.
Nah, you need to go lower.
little bit low there, eh?
Huh?
So it seems like it, you know the way how you always take some out.
Yeah.
And you're like, oh yeah, I'll just make it work. Just throw it past us at Edrin, I'll run it through here. Yeah, that's the one. Flat out. I'll just go with that. It's a bit wet, but what do they want to do here? Look at that.
Oh, let's get filled in. This is all low.
Yeah. I suppose it's pretty wet still, so. Alright, just fixed all that. Where only a tree root was in there. Yeah, man. Good, eh? Alright, we're going to Fresno that. Oh, she's wet. Let me come up there one more, Chris. I'll just come up past once. Just so you can knock the line out. Thank you. Hey? I reckon, honestly, I think you're better off just going on there with some walk boards and then getting along in there. And anyway, I'll just work it a little bit. Hey, Shubs. In a minute, bro, do you just want to hit this edge where this has been? Yeah, just give it one more hit with that trowel. Thanks, bro. Good shove. Shubs will just tidy that up. Nice. Thanks. All good. Do you want to do this, bro, as well? Have you used this thing before? Oh. All it is like a bull float.
Yeah.
Have a. Here you go. You do it there, bro.
Yeah.
Just do all that there. That where the helicopter stopped. Yeah. And all you do is just push it, and you'll find if you're going too high, you just try to hold it like your trowel, like how you know you don't go up real high. You'll do good. I'll go up and trowel up on the top there. Yeah, you'll find it easy. You'll just get that nice. Yeah, that's the one, Shubs.
Make it look pretty.
Yep. I'll start up here.
Weird, eh? Because when we put water on this bit's not too wet. Like within 2 feet of each other.
Yeah, I know.
Weird. Absolutely weird. You want to broom up these roller door openings or sponge them? Oh yeah, that's what we know what you want to do. So if you want to flame the sponge, he can sponge them and I'll just rub his feet out. Yeah, right. If you want to. Yeah.
Do it that way, yep.
There,
Yep, right there. It's not. That's like rock hard, isn't it? Pretty good, eh, Chris?
Oh, he's using the foot here.
Yeah, you right, mate. Right. There we go. Alright, I'm off. Man, she's weird concrete, this. That should be good, yeah. Alright, Shubs, I'll see you when you get back, bro. Sweet, eh? Go and enjoy a few beers, coffee. I can't wait to have a few, eh? See you later. Thanks, mate. Try to give this another hit. Just wet that broom, I don't know.
Nah, I've given up.
Why are you giving up? Looks good though. Looks fine.
We shed slab afterwards.
It's hot too. Alright, yeah, we're done. I'm heading home, so it's what, 1 o'clock? We just stopped and got a cold drink, so yeah, it's a good day with all the boys. Good day with coffee and Shubs. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to maybe come over a bit grey. You know, might rain, meant to rain this afternoon. Hoping, praying that my job in Bucker there tomorrow gets poured and just beats the rain. So I suppose all we can do is just see what happens. But yeah, see what happens there, and I think we'll be right. Might be an afternoon shower like today. Today was, you know, meant to be a bit of afternoon rain. But yeah, alright, I'm heading home. I'm just going to have a quota shed slab for a bloke, and then yeah, oh, that's like a mobile speaker, I think. This is like some mobile speaker. 80 anyway, it's not a speaker. Yeah, so yeah, alright, cool. Hope you guys like that one. Yeah, I enjoyed it. We're starting to warm up towards the end there. They wholesome stuff in Grafton. It's pretty weird concrete, eh? It's just real sandy and just, yeah, I don't know, it's a bit weird. It's real gluggy. That's the only word I can use to describe it, gluggy. Alright, I'll see you guys on Nambucca Paul when that gets done. Praise the Lord. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, you know, talk to me in the comments and ask questions, and you know, whatever you want to ask, and tell me, just, yeah, talk to me. So thanks. See yous.